Hello friends, in this another video of related to Shopify store, how I will tell you how you can increase your Shopify store ranking. So this video is all about search engine optimization of your online store. So this is the blog provided by the Shopify store themselves. So you can search about search engine optimization of Shopify store. You can copy this link as well. I will provide this link in the description section as well, so you can search about it. After searching about it, again you can go below how want to rank your store, get on page with this SEO checklist. And you can see that of all the digital marketing channel at your disposal. In my experience, nothing leave new store owners scratching their head quite like search engine. You know that Shopify store is a very much trending topic in the whole world. People are selling on the Shopify store. They are earning lot of money. So the best thing to earn money from the Shopify store is to do search engine optimization of your online store. So Shopify store provide the checklist of your SEO of your website, how you can rank your Shopify store in the Google search engine. So basic SEO checklist is: first, buy a custom domain. Buy a good domain which represent your product as well. If you do not find your good domain related to your product, try to find a domain which is most near possible to your product. I hope you will understand. Then set up Google Analytics. Google Analytics is very important. Create your Google Analytics account. Head to Google Analytics, click start for free. Follow the instruction to set up a property and set up tracking code on Google. Can collect your website data and create a universal analytics property. Next, you want to connect the Google Analytics to your Shopify store. Start by creating a universal analytics property that turn e-commerce tracking in your Google Analytics account. So I hope you will understand these 2 points are very much important in your Shopify store. And for your and we will first then go to the first point. As you can see that if you do not find a good domain, you can try the Shopify a domain name generator. So click on this. You can find a domain which are most dear to your brand or product. Simply enter your brand, your domain name and best idea that are available to your site. In the next lecture we will do another checklist of SEO, how you can SEO of your website as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Hope we meet in next video.